struggling with constipation and tired of relying on harsh solutions? In this video, I'll reveal a simple home remedy, just 1 tablespoon a day, that works like magic to get your digestive system back on track. You'll learn how it works, how fast it delivers results, and why it's safe for daily use. Don't miss this natural, life-changing tip. Welcome to BTH Natural Remedies. If you're tired of dealing with the discomfort of constipation, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a powerful, all-natural remedy. Just 1 tablespoon a day can make a world of difference. I'll answer your burning questions. What is this miracle remedy? How fast does it work? And is it safe for daily use? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to say goodbye to constipation for good. Constipation slowing you down? Imagine solving this daily discomfort with just 1 tablespoon a day. Sounds unbelievable? Let me show you how. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable, it disrupts your energy, focus, and mood. The worst part? Many of us rely on quick fixes like pills or powders, only to have the problem return. But what if there were a natural, proven remedy sitting right in your kitchen? One that's simple, safe, and works with your body, not against it. By the end of this video, you'll understand how 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil can transform your digestive health and leave you feeling light, energized, and free from the discomfort of constipation. Why extra virgin olive oil? Because this isn't just a cooking staple, it's a digestive supercharger. Let's talk about why extra virgin olive oil works wonders for your digestion. First, it acts as a natural lubricant for your intestines, helping stool pass more easily. Second, it stimulates bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and improving overall digestion. And finally, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe your gut, creating the perfect environment for regular bowel movements. This is why 1 tablespoon of olive oil is more than just a remedy, it's a daily investment in your long-term digestive health. Want to experience these benefits for yourself? Here's how to use olive oil for maximum results. The best time to take extra virgin olive oil is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Here's the simple routine. 1. Measure out 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. 2. Take it straight for the best effect. If the taste is too strong, mix it with a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. 3. Wait at least 15 to 20 minutes before eating or drinking anything else to let the oil work its magic. For best results, stick to this routine daily. Over time, you'll notice smoother digestion, reduced bloating, and regular bowel movements. Remember, consistency is key. Is it safe to use every day? Let's set your mind at ease with the facts. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the safest, most natural remedies you can use. It's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, known for promoting longevity and gut health. That said, start with 1 tablespoon and listen to your body. If you experience any mild discomfort, reduce the amount slightly and gradually increase it. And don't worry, it's not just safe, it's a healthy habit you can maintain for life. By using it daily, you're not only relieving constipation but also nourishing your body with antioxidants and healthy fats. 1 tablespoon a day, a lifetime of comfort. Are you ready to make the change? Imagine starting each day feeling light, free, and full of energy. No more sluggish mornings, no more discomfort. With this simple olive oil routine, you're taking a powerful step toward better health and vitality. It's natural, effective, and incredibly easy to stick to. So, take that first step today. Grab a bottle of extra virgin olive oil and start your journey to a healthier, happier digestive system. Your body will thank you. Want to boost the benefits of olive oil even further? Here's a quick tip. While olive oil works wonders on its own, combining it with a few healthy habits can amplify its effects. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your system hydrated and your stool soft. Add more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet to support your digestive health. And don't forget to stay active. A 10 to 15 minute walk after meals can do wonders for your digestion. By pairing these habits with your daily olive oil routine, you'll experience faster and more lasting relief from constipation.